Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to copy or duplicate slides in Google Slides for 2026. It's a super simple feature, but yeah, you'd be surprised how many people miss a few of the shortcuts. Let's jump right in. All right, first, open the presentation where you want to duplicate slides. If it's not on the home screen, you can search for it using the bar at the top. Just type the name and it'll show up. Once your presentation loads, look at the left sidebar. That's where all your slides are listed. Click the slide you want to copy, just a single click is enough. Now, the easiest method is to right-click the slide. You'll see a menu pop up and there's an option called Duplicate Slide. Click it and boom, your copy appears right under the original. Super quick, you know. Another way, honestly my favorite, is using keyboard shortcuts. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl+D. If you're on a Mac, press Command+D. It duplicates instantly. So yeah, great for building templates or repeating layouts. You can also copy slides between completely different presentations. Just right-click the slide, choose Copy, open your other presentation, and then right-click again and choose Paste. Google Slides keeps the formatting unless you pick Match Style, which is pretty handy. And if you need to copy a bunch of slides, you can. Hold Shift to select slides in a row, or hold Control or Command on a Mac to select them one by one. Then right-click and duplicate, or just use the shortcut. It works exactly the same. And that's it. You now know all the easiest ways to copy or duplicate slides in Google Slides for 2026. Whether you're building lessons, business decks, or anything in between, these shortcuts save a ton of time. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and yeah, tap the bell so you don't miss future guides.